It is almost 4 o'clock, 3:54 p.m. On Monday, May 5th, 4th already. Oh my goodness, time's flying. Okay, just looking at volatility, see where it's showing slight upside divergence because the daily technical pattern has been going sideways now for a few days. So if the lower time frames put a boost into that sideways pattern, oh, you mean like it did today? Yeah, it's kind of what we're looking for. It's not a very clear, clean pattern, but it's, something that has the ability to lift the price. Oh, this is better. See what happens when you go down in the time frame, down, down, down. You start at the top and work your way down and until you see exactly what you want to see. Is this exactly what we want to see? Yes. 30-minute chart pattern on volatility. And that was at 10 o'clock this morning, right? So you expect to see the reverse on the same time frame if you have something that's tradable. Do you see it on the SPY? No, because it doesn't have a double top on it. It's weak, but doesn't have a double top. So you're speculating a little bit on that. So how about the Qs? I think that looks a little bit better. The price was a new high at 10:30 this morning, right? And technically not confirming it. See? So that one is weaker. One more to go. How about this one? Does that look like it's what we're looking for? See, the price is a new high, in fact, and technically compromised. So I would think the Russell 2000 would have the best opportunity for trading. And you see here at 10:30 this morning, so about 30 minutes lead time you got from volatility at 10 o'clock, right? That says something was going to happen. So you just look through things like I just did. Like how long did it take? 5 seconds, 10 seconds, maybe. So it's not something that takes minutes or days to locate. It's just a quick reference and see which one of the three is the best, just like we just did. So the Qs would be pretty good. And the IWM, historically, in the last 6 months or so, has been the best for options, which is what we trade. So we don't care how much stocks move so much as the options related to them. So let's see, this would be let's still go 275 just in case. That's cheap enough. I think that's cheap enough. Be about 50 times your money. All right. Let's take a look again. Well, no, not 50 times. Maybe, see, they were sitting at 10 or even 11 o'clock. They're sitting at 2 cents, and then they went to 51 cents. So it wasn't 50 times your money. It's 25 or 26 times your money. See? But what is the key element that makes the options move? It's the volatility, having a clear and distinguished pattern. And that's what gives you the opportunity. I don't know how many times I have to say it. People start looking somewhere else. How about this? How about that? How about it? How about this? See, how many times do you have to make 25 times your money or 50 times your money or 100 or 200 times your money, which we've seen on these major indexes in the last couple of weeks? How many times? How many times? I just ask you that question, and you ask yourself that question. How many times do I need to make 25 times money or 50 times my money before I'm retired? See? And there you have the answer. So it wasn't first thing this morning, but about a half hour to an hour after the open this morning, and he had an opportunity. So that was a good trading day. Okay. Bell rang while I was talking. Now I'll talk to you later. Have a good night.